Okay, so we have learned a little bit about this user interface. So in this video, we're going to learn about blocks. So let's get started. So if we want to add any kind of functionality to any user interface, let's say I want to do something when the button is clicked, or I want to do something when someone touches the screen, or maybe I want to change the text manually whenever someone touches the screen, or maybe I want to speak something whenever someone touches the button. In order to add this kind of functionality, we need to use these blocks right here. Okay, so in order to go to the blocks editor from this design view, you just click on this box. You just click on this blocks button right here. You just click on that and you will be taken to a page like this. So this is the place where we can edit all our blocks. If you take a look at the left side, you can see that we have different kind of blocks here, different kind of built-in blocks here. We have control, logic, math, text, list, colors, variables, procedures, and all that stuff. These are the built-in things that you can use to add some kind of functionality. And below that, at the bottom of that, you can see that we have all the components that we have in our screen or in our app. So as you can see, in the app we have one screen, one button, and we have added one text-to-speech component. And we have all these things right here so that we can add functionality to these things. Okay, so let's say I want to do something whenever the button is clicked. So in order to do that, if we want to add some functionality to the button, then we just gonna select this button, and as you can see, we can see all the different kind of blocks that we can add to the button. So among all of them, we're gonna select this one which says when button one.click, do this. Okay, so it will work as like when the button one is clicked, we're gonna do this. Okay, so we can drag this block and drop it in the blocks editor, and this is how it has been added. So what do we want to do whenever the button one is clicked? So whenever the button one is clicked, we want to do something so that our app talks our name. So in order to add that functionality, we're going to use this text-to-speech component. So if you click on that, you can see we have several options here. Among them, we can use this one which says call text-to-speech.speak message. So we're gonna give a message right here, and it will speak that whenever we click the button. So we can drag this, and we can, as you can see, it has a portion where it just fits correctly. So if it doesn't fit correctly, then we cannot add this functionality. Okay, and once you just bring it right here, you can see that it will automatically get attached to it, and you will hear a tick sound, which means that it has been properly placed. So if you place it here, as you can see, we just heard a tick sound and this has been added. Now one more thing you need to do is we need to add a message that will be spoken whenever this button is clicked. Okay, so when button one is clicked, do this. And what do we want to do? We want to call text-to-speech component, and we want to speak the message. So now we're gonna have to give it a message which it will speak. So we can go to this text component right here, and we'll click on text, and as you can see, we have this empty text component here so that we can add any kind of message here. So I'm gonna click on that and drag and drop it at this place, and you will hear a tick sound. That means that it will fit correctly at this position. So as you have heard that we have this tick sound, so now we can add any message here. So let's say I want to say my name. So let's say I want to say hi Raja. So it will speak hi Raja whenever the button is clicked. You can add your own name right here, and it will speak your name. So this is pretty much it. This is all we needed to do in order to make this app work. So in the next video, I'm gonna show you how to run this app and what this app looks in a real device. So see you in the next video.